This is the grid, a vast, intricate network that's always moving, always working. And for decades, it's done exactly what it was built to do: deliver electricity from power stations to homes, businesses, and everything in between. But things are changing. From 2030, all new vehicles sold in the UK must be either hybrid or electric. That means a huge increase in electric vehicle charging and a lot more demand on our energy systems. Today's world needs a different kind of grid, one that's flexible, cleaner, and strong enough to keep up with a future that's already arriving. The good news? We're already generating more green energy than ever before from wind and solar farms across the UK, and the government wants even more of it flowing through the grid. But there's a catch. We often produce clean energy when demand is low, like solar in the summer. And when demand peaks, that renewable energy might not be there. Right now, the system struggles to store energy long enough, meaning some of that green power simply goes to waste. That's where FEVA comes in. A pioneering project from the universities of Southampton, Sheffield, Surrey, and Portsmouth. FEVA, or Future Electric Vehicle Energy Network Supporting Renewables, is rethinking how we power electric vehicles. It's a fully off-grid charging system, powered by renewable energy, and built with smart, hybrid battery storage. That means it captures energy when it's available and stores it until it's needed. Because FEVA is off-grid, it isn't affected by blackouts, surges, or policy-driven fluctuations. It's clean energy delivered where and when people actually need it. Right now, electric vehicle journeys often rely on carefully planned routes to find charging stations, but FEVA changes that. Its battery system makes it possible to bring electric vehicle charging to places that were once too remote, too expensive, or too difficult to connect, completely independent of the grid. Its unique hybrid storage even allows energy generated in summer to power cars in the middle of winter. If the UK is to hit its energy goals, we'll need new thinking, new systems, smarter technologies. FEVA is one of them. A clean, green, practical solution for the electric vehicles of tomorrow. To find out more, visit feva-ev.ac.uk.